Guys, today I've got a new game. This is Beach Buggy Racing. Hope you enjoy the video. Be sure to like, comment and share this video. And did you subscribe? Because if you didn't, you should. So please click on the subscribe button and make it grey if you haven't. So let's start with Beach Buggy. I think so I've completed most of the career, but let's just see. So right now I'm in this area called Pineapple Punch. We just have 2 more left, Tidal Rush and Typhoon Trophy. But now I'm going to start from the first one, Easy Street. And I forgot to tell you, if you haven't played this game, I will show you the tutorial first so you can understand. Yeah, look, the tutorial. Now let's start. So you understand what the game is. So there it's written, welcome to Beach Buggy Racing. Before you start, let's go over a few basics. Press left and right on your remote to steer. Press down on your remote to brake. Your car automatically accelerates. Got it? Okay, now try driving up the hill without smashing of any of the fruit carts, sorry. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, let's start. So now we just have to avoid these fruit carts, which is easy, and I've done it. Nice job. Remember, you can change the control preferences in the settings menu. Guys, and I also noticed something funny. Why was the driver trying to go the other way? It was maybe a glitch or something, but let's just see. Okay, now let's try something more challenging. Okay, see those glowy bubbles up the road in there? Drive one of them here and it'll pop power up into this handy slot. So that's a power up. And then if you can see it right now. Now if we get it, we'll see what it'll do. When you press to use the power, when you want to use the power up, press the select button on your remote. Let's give it a try. I'm sure there's another car around here you can use it on. Let's start. We have to get those glowy bubbles, the power ups. Okay, I've got one of them. So let's just see. So it's look. Whoa, that thing packs a punch. So we threw it in another car and she's saying, wow, that thing packs a punch. There are tons of different power-ups you can collect. Each one is different. Okay, I think you're ready for a real race. And now, yes, we are ready for the real race. Let's start. Time to put all of this practice to the test. But first, see there. Can you see this? That's a driver's special ability. After the meter fills up, press up on your remote and see what happens. Okay, the racers are ready. Let's see what you can do. Okay. So now this is a real race. We have to win. We can do it. Oh look, our power up is filling up quickly and now we are in first place. I think so this race is an easy race. We got some shield. Okay. So this is my I crashed, oopsie. But can you see that I'm ahead? Yeah, that's it. I think so now you can get a better view of everything. No, we didn't do well. We crashed. But that's fine, we're going to still be first. Another power up, and this is nice driving. You're ready to start your racing career. I think we are. If you prove some skills in some of races, I might even join your race team. Enough talking. you've got some beach buggy racing to do. So I've completed the game and I just wanted to show you how much. Look, so this 500 horsepower and 1000 horsepower means you've maxed out your car. You can not get it to any more upgrades. Not means not. Okay, I don't think so. You can see 500 HP. You can see it now, right? Yeah. Okay, let's choose a series. And we have to start from Easy Street. Okay, so the first race, Shark Harbor. Okay, let's start. And of course, there are many drivers and cars you can collect. So I'll tell you about that later. First, let's just start. Oh my god, okay. Now there are many other races, we have to beat them. So they have other power-ups and you need gems to unlock other power-ups. We got one of the power-ups and it's firework. I don't know. Okay, so you can use it to attack other yeah. Oh, look, I found a shortcut. Let's use the shortcut. So I also forgot to mention that there are many shortcuts in this game. And then we got a shield power up. This protects you from other power ups. It's a basic shield. We are done. We got first place. Okay. Next, let's continue. Let's move on to race number 2. Okay, this is a new location, Crab Cove. So let's start the race. The other drivers are ready and we are too. Let's start. We started. And again now we have to win. And if we don't win, you won't get enough amount of coins. So you have to be. It has to be important to win. So I got one power up. It was called. You saw a couple of chickens there, right? It was called Chicken Crate. It just slows down the other drivers. And now I got the oil. It'll slip the drivers down, and now we got shield. That's the driver's special ability. I think so we overspeeded. I didn't use the brakes. I was meant to use the brakes. So we got first place. Nice, now we got first place. And now it's time for start third event. Okay, this is called Boost Blitz and it's in Shark Harbor. So the goal, it's written 44 seconds and my high score was 43 seconds. Very close to 44. I did it before the goal time. And now let's again play this. I forgot to tell you, there's a power up called Boost. Oh look, can you see that? You can see another car, right? That's the soul of me. That's me with... And I also did a different painting so I could show the soul of myself. So that's telling me how well did I do. Let's see if I can beat my time. You can't touch this because it's just your soul. Yeah, look. It's your ghost. Ghost, soul, whatever. Now I use my power up. Oh, no, we crashed. Let's try it again. 44. No, we got it wrong. So you got just 2 stars and very little coins. So I'm going to move on to the next race, but you did see my soul, right? I crashed because I got distracted. So let's move on to the next race. Yeah, I still have 3 stars. Okay, new location called Fiesta Village. Let's continue. So I skipped the intro cameras for many races, but I'm going to let you see this one. Fiesta Village. It's a village. Yeah, it's a village. My place is 6 out of 6 for now. These races are very easy because I've played this game for a very long time. Oh look, so now I also have that power up. I can maybe show it to you. So I'll again show you guys shortcuts. So you are supposed to go to the ramp there, but I'm going through this tunnel. It's a shortcut. Power up. Just look at me in the on the top side. Can you see how far ahead I am from the other drivers? And now I got this firework. There's a bench. Let me aim at it. Okay, we broke the bench and we went through the fire up, and then we got a chicken crate that slows down the other drivers. Let's drop it. And now we became first. This is nice. Okay, let's continue. Again, we got 150 coins, so let's go. So here it is, Leilani boss. Yeah, Leilani. Yeah, you have already won this race in a display of true skill and showmanship. Leilani is now available for the recruiting on the driver screen. So now let's hit 5, and after this, new location again, Dino Jungle. After this, I think so we're going to finish this video. I'm skipping the intro cameras for this one. And after this, I'll show you all the drivers. You can only play the boss once, so I've already played it, so it doesn't matter. And this time, I'm not going to take a shortcut. I'm just going to see what's going to happen if I don't take a shortcut. So look, that was the ice power up. I could have used my shield, but it didn't hit me, so it doesn't matter. Do you see that turn? That was the shortcut actually. You were supposed to use it as a ramp if you wanted to, but we didn't. Okay, use the shield, and now let's get a new power up. So look, I in the Fiesta Village, I told you that I'll show you that power up. I'm not going to test it on anybody. I'm just going to show. Look, you saw that? So look, that's a death bat. A death bat power up is a power up which hits the guy in the first place, but I had my shield, so I didn't get it. And now we are first. Okay, excellent. Okay, I was close to my high score. Let's hit continue. And now we can't race with Leilani, which is sad. But anyways, let me show you the Leilani driver. Look, this is Rez, the main character. So other, yeah, can you look there? Yeah, Rez doesn't talk much. He lets the driving do the talking, and now his power is burning rubber. Let's move on to let's move on to the next driver. This is Roxy Lorer. I haven't unlocked her. Look, I'm in Pineapple Punch, and the boss of Pineapple Punch is Roxy Roller. So means if I defeat Pineapple Punch series, then I'll get Roxy Roller. And this is Beach Bro. I got him. He's a boss of another series. And this is Leilani. Her power is flower power. Yes. So it's like a mega power up because it's like a trap and you're moving fast. So guys, and now let me just show you my cars. I was first very excited to get my second car called Dune Jumper. Then I realized it was a bad car and then I just left. But then I got a car called Lamborghini, which was very expensive. It was 4,800 coins. But then I got it. And I don't have any. And there are many cars. Okay, let's start. There's Beach Buggy, Dune Jumper, Lamborghini, Grimrod, Rock Stomper, Lunar Rover, Lightning, Rally Pro. Okay guys, I think so that's it for the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.